Hello, good morning to all the students. Today we are going to discuss the electronic configuration from atomic number 21 to 30, that is from the scandium to zinc, which is called as first transition series elements or 3D block elements. So why these are called as D block elements? Because the electron will enters into the 3D subshell. Therefore, these elements from 21 to 30 are called as first D block elements. So before filling the electrons in the D block elements, we should know that the energy of 3D and 4s are equivalent. Therefore, the first electron will enters into the 3D one, then 4s2, and then continuously in the D subcell. Okay. So for first 21, the symbol of the atomic number 21 is the scandium, and out of 21 electrons, 18 electrons gone for the argon, and remaining 3 electrons in 4s2 and 3d1. But we should write as 3d1 4s2. Okay. For 22, argon is compulsory from 21 to 30, 3d2 4s2. For 23, vanadium 3d3 4s2. For chromium, now you are going to write 3d4 4s2. Okay, but it is wrong because there are 5d subcells in the 3d. Therefore, more than half orbitals must be half filled. Therefore, what will happen? The configuration instead of 3d4 4s2 becomes 3d5 4s1. Remember, that is called anomalous configuration of the chromium. For 25 manganese, the configuration becomes 3d5 4s2. For iron 26, 3d6 4s2. For 27 cobalt, 3d7 4s2. For nickel, which has the atomic number 28, the configuration becomes 3d8 4s2. And now for 29, again the question arises. Serially, the configuration is 3d9 4s2, but it is not the correct configuration. The correct configuration is 3d10 4s1 because the 5 orbitals, out of which more than half orbitals are completely filled. Therefore, every orbital gets completely filled. Therefore, instead of 3d9 4s2, the configuration of the copper becomes 3d10 4s1. This is also called as the anomalous configuration of the copper. And now the last element 30, that is zinc, the configuration is 3d10 4s2, means all the electrons in the D subcell, which has the maximum capacity 10 electrons, are filled and 4s level is also completed. Therefore, the first transition series, which starts from 21 to 30, have 3d1 to 3d10 electrons are successively added. Okay, except chromium and copper, the configuration is regular, but in case of the chromium and in copper, the anomalous behavior in electronic configuration is observed due to half and completely filled d orbitals. Now next Thursday we are going to discuss the difference between orbit and orbitals. Okay, thank you Vinesh. Now on next Thursday we will welcome to the same class.